In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your keyboard. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to tap on System and Update. Then select Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Following that, click on Corrections and Suggestions to scroll and tap on this switcher next to Suggestion Strip. When it's blue, you can go back to launch your keyboard and check out your Suggestion Strip with all of those options. This gear one, when you click on it, will help you enter the same section of your settings much faster. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!